Hi, my name is Samir Desai, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to name branched chain alkanes. When naming a branched chain alkane, remember these three rules, and you won't have to worry about getting tripped up by nomenclature. Let me start by drawing an example molecule below, so we can see how to apply each step when naming a branched chain alkane. Rule number 1. List the position and name of each substituent in alphabetical order. Substituents are the groups that branch off the longest carbon backbone. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the longest chain, so everything else must be a substituent. This substituent in blue is a methyl, because it contains one carbon. Since it's on the carbon 2, we call it 2-methyl. This substituent in red is an ethyl, and since it's on the 3 carbon, we call it 3-ethyl. So far, we know this molecule is 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, blank. The ethyl is written before methyl because we name substituents in alphabetical order. Also, notice that we separate numbers and letters through the use of hyphens. Rule number 2, do not include prefixes such as di and tri when alphabetizing. Prefixes are utilized when you have identical substituents. Suppose we had 2 methyls on this molecule, then this molecule would be a dimethyl. But we alphabetize based off the substituent rather than the prefix, so the M in methyl and not the D in di. Rule number 3, state the name of the carbon backbone following the ordered substituents. Notice earlier, I stated this molecule is 3-ethyl 2-methyl blank. We can now fill in the blank based off the backbone. 6 carbons makes it a hexane. Therefore, the name of this molecule is 3-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. Let's apply this concept to some practice questions. Starting with A, this backbone is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and contains 3 substituents. 2 substituents are methyls on carbon 3 and 4, so this is 3,4-dimethyl, and 1 is an ethyl on carbon 5. Alphabetically, E comes before M, so this is 5-ethyl 3,4-dimethyl octane. Moving on to B, the longest backbone is 9 carbons long with 1 substituent on carbon 4. The 9-carbon backbone indicates a nonane suffix, which is preceded by the prefix 4-ethyl. For C, I'll start by drawing out the structure of the molecule. This will help me determine the longest carbon chain and see the immediate substituents, plus I'm less likely to make any mistakes when I draw it out. This is a butane because of the 4 carbons, and a methyl group on the 2 carbon means this is 2-methyl butane. Lastly, D, which I'll draw out. 1, 2, 3 carbons is a propane molecule with a methyl substituent on carbon 2. Therefore, this is 2-methyl propane. And there we have it. Now you should feel comfortable naming branched chain alkanes.